Welcome back to the Grumpy Gen X Trucker channel. If you've been watching the news, I know, bad thing, but the United States has had a number of natural disasters recently, plus, certain areas have conflicts going on. So we're going to talk about everyday carry items today. Things that you should pick up when you pick up your keys, your wallet, your phone, and very small. These items will help in a lot of cases. Now, they're not going to do as much for you as a larger loadout, but these are things that you can have on your body every day. Ladies will bring their purses usually, but what if you don't have time to grab your purse? These things you can already have on your body, and they won't take up much weight, much space. So we're going to discuss these today. This is a paracord bracelet, wristband, whatever you want to call it. Now, the beautiful thing here is this is 550 cord. So if you need 10 feet of rope, it's wrapped right there on your wrist. Ferrocerium rod. You need to start a fire, keep yourself alive in case it's cold outside. And then whistle. If you get trapped, here's one thing that a lot of people don't realize. A whistle goes a lot farther than your voice does, especially if you have pressure on your chest. So, and right there on the wrist. You don't have to do anything. If something comes up, you just go. Now, I keep a second whistle attached to a pill bottle. As you can see, small, loud. In here, cotton ball just rolled out. It's great for starting fires. Small light is always good in case you get trapped somewhere where it's real dark. Small knife. You really don't need a big one to do a lot of jobs with. And then military people will recognize this. For those of you who don't, it's a very small, very portable can opener. So these are basic things that you can put in your pocket. Small container. This is my personal preference. It's nice and small, fits in the pocket, just like the keys. And there you go. With these basic items, you will be better prepared than if you don't have them. The beautiful thing is all of this can be had for only a couple of bucks at the dollar store. The knife, for example, was all of $3.99 US. In the US, this mini lighter is about $1. Dollar store, mini light, about $1. And these can openers, depends on where you go. Some of these are $3.99 a piece, or you go to one of the big chains and you can get two for $3 or $4.